Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Activation Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To kick off the manual repair for Activation Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Activation Library, a generic licensing support library name commonly used by proprietary applications to manage activation and verification logic. It typically stores encryption and validation routines. If missing or corrupted, host software may demand reactivation or fail startup with errors such as module failed to load. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The Activation Library DLL library is a critical dependency of the Localized licensing orchestration framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Activation Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Activation Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Activation Library documentation. To support our technical team and receive updates on Activation Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.